we are going to do some simple exercise in Solidworks sheet metal, and here we will create this simple exercise in Solidworks with the help of sheet metal tools. So let's start to create this one. Now here let's try to make a simple exercise in Autodesk Solidworks sheet metal. Let me choose here new part. Okay, now we are here going to practice some sheet metal tools. You can right click and click here sheet metal. Now we will make a simple exercise. So first we will start with base flange. Once you click, it will ask you which plane do you like to start. So I'll choose top plane. This is the sketch menu. Here you will see multiple things. So let me start with corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Right click, select means out of the sketch or out of the rectangle. Smart dimension, you can define the dimension. 200 millimeter by let's say 130 millimeter. Okay, see, once you click exit, now it will send you, see, base flange. Now it's going downward direction, so simply keep thickness 2 millimeter, whatever you like, reverse, so that it will moves in upward direction. Now bending allowance, it is by default, this is the bending allowance. Whatever material you are going to choose, here we will select the material we will decide later, but we will choose some copper bronze. This K factor by default is choose 0.1. This is the standard. And relief hole, this is simple flat, so no need relief hole. Okay. Now do one thing, make plain white and uncheck real view so that we will get a better look. Now go to sheet metal, and here we will see edge flange. We want to select any one edge and move your cursor upward or downward, whatever you like, so we will keep upward. Now in the same way, select all the 4 edges so that we can create a wall. Now see, the radius is too much. Now here you uncheck this box, and here we can define the radius. So we will keep 2 millimeter. See, the radius become, and the gap between these two bends. See this gap, if you want to increase 1 millimeter, okay. Now see, gap increases. So we will keep minimum 0.5 is better. Angle of this part, extrusion angle is 90 degree. We will keep as it is. Now here we need to define the length, 50 millimeter. Now here the sharpness, what is the sharp edge point? So here we will keep outer virtual sharpness. Material, let's say inside of the blade. See, the bending also going to start from the inside. Okay. Now this is how we created a simple box with the help of sheet metal. Let's say some more. Now I'll select one edge, expand inside. Two. Now corner, you will see automatically it is merge. The same way, let's decrease gap 0.5, and here the length 15 millimeter, and material thickness, okay, outside, that's fine. Everything we changed. Okay, now that's it. Now this edge we left, here we will expand more. If you like, click this edge, expand this side. Even you can do 2 millimeter, 0.5, and 200. Rest is same. We will try to create a kind of box, edge, upward direction. Now if you want to change the virtual bend outside, you will see the bending start from outer edge. 15 millimeter radius, it's too high, keep 2 millimeter, that's fine. Okay, now let's see how to make corner edge. Here you will find one option, break corner or corner trim, either chamfer or fillet. So we will keep chamfer. Let me see, 10 millimeter. You can select whatever edges you like. We will trim all the edges. Okay, so this is how we trimmed edge. Now even let's see how to, we have, this is a design library. In design library we have forming tools. If you drop down the menu of forming tools, you will find multiple number of things, embossing tool, extrude. Here we will see lure. So let's bring the lure on this surface. Simply move your lure on this surface. Now see, it moves. Just rotate your lure. See, the lure, it is inside. First what we will do, we will flip. Now see, lure comes outside. Now angle, let's make 90-degree. Okay, we can make 90-degree like this, but okay, that's also not the big deal. Position, take the normal position and smart dimension. Define the dimension from outer edge. Now here let's say 40 millimeter, and distance from this line 10 millimeter, because we want to create some more number of patterns here, so even make 30 numbers. See, okay, now this is actually a reverse lure, but we want to see, that's why we make like this. See, now if we want to make multiple number of lures, so simply go to feature, click linear pattern. Now here direction, we will choose this direction. Now first we need to choose feature, select this lure. Now in X direction 30 millimeter, 50 millimeter. I think it's we can reduce, let's say 40 millimeter, and 4 number of lures. 45, that's also fine. And direction 2. So click direction 2 and select any vertical edge. Say this vertical edge we are going to see, and the gap 20 millimeter. That seems better. And 2 number of patterns, that's fine. Okay. Now let's see how it looks. Oh, see. So this is how we created lures, but this is reverse. So even if you want to change the first lure, edit feature, and here define the angle 270 degree. See, it's going downward. Okay. Now you will see all will change in direction, in terms of direction. Oh, look. See. Now let me change material, brass, satin finish, or matte brush. That's look very much better in a way of. Go to sheet metal, flatten. Now once you click flatten, this parts will be look like this. Why sheet metal going to be like this, because we in CNC machine we need these kinds of drawing to cut or make these kinds of part. You can simply right click and you can directly save export to DXF. Okay, save DXF file, desktop, anywhere, save. Now once you click save, it will ask you click sheet metal. Okay, now it's going to save in 2D file, which is going to use for the AutoCAD purpose or especially for programming purpose in CNC machine. Especially we are performing in straight punch CNC machine. It may take little more time. See, so this is the 2D drawing going to save. Click save. That's it. So this is how we created a simple sheet metal drawing with the help of sheet metal tools. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel